Hey everybody, Wtench Mike here. We are in a new location. This is a first for me, a first for my channel. I have never done a Copart walk around, and we're going to do one today in unfamiliar territory. Take a look at the view. Yeah, this is Danville, Virginia, or I think it's Chatham, Virginia. Look at the view. Look at the mountains right there. It is gorgeous. But I found a few cars you guys might be interested in, and gals, and kids, if we have kids watching. It's something I always wanted. Something that's older than me, if you can believe that. This car is older than me. You want to see? Monkey. Wtench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
This was totally unexpected. We had no idea this was here. So what we have, what does this say? Pickup 1231, 1928 Dodge. This is a Dodge Brothers vehicle. Take a look at that. You got the DB right there proving it. She's had a little fender bender, and I do mean fender bender right there. Yep, there it is. A little bit of rust. The wheels look good, and I gotta say, I do love. I've always wanted one of these. I always have. And you have a cool looking white wall right there. Let's take a look around the car and just kind of see what she looks like and see what she's made of. 1928. Yep. Put your luggage back here. You get an extra tire. I don't want to try to open this. I don't want to get in trouble for doing this. But take a look at this coolest car ever. I actually sat in one of these. A friend of mine and I were looking at one, and we sat in it, and they started it up, and it had the leather belt, actual leather belt running the engine. Can I do the horn? Is this the horn right here? And that, which was amazing. There's the front view. Look at that. I have an S600 pointed over there. It's calling my name, but this one is gorgeous. She does have some issues. She took a little hit right here as well. How fast do you think she was going when she... Yeah, she's been hit on both sides. 3 of the 4 fenders have some damage. Let's take a look at the inside and see what she looks like. Oh, she's locked. Oh no, oh, you can't open it because... Oh, you can't. Oh gosh, okay. Yeah, see right here? We can't even open it, so I don't want to, oh. Okay, well, that's a game changer. Look at the top. Look at the huge roof. Man, I want to see inside of this thing. Maybe this works. Okay, back door works. Ooh, let's go in. Let's see what she's like. People were so much smaller back in the day. Look at the dash. That's all you need right there. 1,031 miles, 888.4. You got your gas, you got your temperature, your oil, and your amps right there. And a little, what is this, a little ashtray? Oh, this is the light. That's probably a little light bulb in there. That looks like a choke. Don't know what that does. Shag carpet, not original. And I have no idea. This advances your timing or something maybe. And I thought maybe one of these was a turn signal. I don't know, but look how comfortable. You even get a place for your feet. Yes. Take me to the opera, please. Even the roof is padded. This is the coolest thing ever. Does the window work? Kind of. This one goes down. Look, even the back window. Look at that. There it is. So you could really open all 3 of these. Open the roof, I'm guessing, and it's almost like a convertible back here. Yep, lots of room back here in the back seat. Love it, love it, love it. Oh my goodness gracious. Even get little, what did we used to call these? Oh, you know what handles? You get to hold on to this as you go around the corner as you're shooting at the cops in case you're Bonnie and Clyde. Look at that. That is cool. Okay, let's see what's under the hood. All right, time to reveal what's underneath this thing. This is the coolest car ever. Is it original or has it been converted into something like a Pinto engine? Oh, count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Straight 6. Holy guacamole. What about the belt? No, the belt is missing? Nope, it's right there. Okay, so there is a newish belt on there. Hoses have been replaced. Man, breather hose. Look at, is this where you check? Oh, look at this. You check your transmission fluid, I guess. Right here. Oil. Old school dipstick. What does this say? Use SE engine oil. Need a little bit in there. Got your starter down below. It has some new and some old. Look at this old carburetor. I wish I knew more about these things. Oh my goodness. And a little bitty fan. Look at the fan. Okay. I've fallen in love with this car officially, except it's too damaged for me. Oh my goodness gracious. That is sad. That is so very, very sad. Okay, 1928 Dodge Brothers. Here's something you don't see every day. Yep, 2017 Smart Fortwo. Teeny tiny little car. Look at this little thing. I've read good things about this and I've read bad things about this. But check her out. How bizarre, how bizarre, how bizarre is this? I don't want to show you the damage yet. I want to take you inside and just give you a quick little tour. She's a dirty girl. Yeah, she is a mess in here. But that's okay, I'm still going in. I'm going in! Oh, we have power. Should we try this before we get in trouble? Can I try this and see if it's even gonna work? Let's see if she does start or not. I don't know. Here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. She's gonna work. She does work. She sounds terrible. What is that? Yeah, the engine's behind me and it sounds weird. But look at these little steering wheel, little bitty buttons right here that control your little bitty screen and a teeny tiny little transmission shift lever. I don't want to let her run now because she's... Does she move? She goes. Front, backwards. She runs and drives. That's enough for me. Look how this thing changes. Let me put her in gear. In and out. That is pretty cool. Ah! This would be a fun little car, except we got a bit of a problem. Let me turn this off. Let me show you the problem. But look at this. It's like it's not even padded. It's just like fabric over plastic. Vinyl seats. You get a little tray to put stuff right here. And a teeny tiny little glove box. What do you put in there? Here's the problem with the car, other than I can't open the back part. She's been a little squishy poo. Little fender bender. Let's see if this will open. Okay, this opens. Does it come forward? Or does it just come off? It literally just hangs off like this. There you go. Okay. I guess that's how your hood opens. Teeny tiny battery, radiator, brake, washer fluid. Little bitty. Look at the little bitty tie rod in. All kinds of wires not connected anymore. That's not a problem. Who needs wires? Stay. Stay. Stay, stay. Look at the beautiful sun through the clouds. Look at the not so beautiful Jaguar. Yep, she's white. No, wait. She's blue. No, she's gray. Yeah, we got a 3-toned Jaguar XJ8. Which is, I loved these cars. I got to tell you, I had a couple of the older ones. This, I believe, is like an 05 XJ8L, so it's longer, larger, more luxurious. 151,000 miles. And she is, oh, I was right, 2005 right there. Let's check out the inside and see what she looks like. But I love the outside. She's had a rough life. She can't decide what she wants to be or where she wants to go. Back on the highway or back out on to the salvage yard to be a donor for other cars, for other Jaguars. These interiors are so nice. I really like them. I love the wood. I had a couple of XJ8s. They're the same on the inside. Love, love, love the wood. They moved the clock a little bit, made it a little fancier. This one comes with a key. You know what that means? We're gonna have to give it a start and see how she runs. Do we have power? No, she's dead. She doesn't do anything. She's a goner. But how comfortable is this? I'm not a big fan of gray, I'll be honest with you, but this is nice. It smells good. But look at this. This wood is in beautiful condition. Gorgeous. Now the ones I had, you had to worry about the Nicocil liners on the engine, and you had to worry about the timing chain guides. And in fact, I had a red XK8 convertible, and I took off the valve cover, and I was working on the timing chain guide to work on it. And when I pulled it up, yeah, the bolts were coming out. I was like a quarter of an inch away from engine death on that car. Yep. But this one, I don't know. She's had it tough. She's really had it tough. Let's open her up. Look how you can move this. There you go. Wait, is that how you open it now? That's how you opened it, I think. There you go. Is that how it works? I don't know, but there's the engine. The infamous XJ8 looks very similar to my old XK8s, although the radiator's pushed back a little bit. Hoses are a little bit smashed, and there's all different kind of parts on this car. Look at that. Look how different that is. Okay, they changed that since mine. And this has that suspension. You gotta love them with the weird suspensions. Yep. That's why she's sitting low. And sitting pretty. No, she's not pretty at all. She's a mess. She is a mess, but I love the way they kind of updated them from the XJ6s to the 8s, and then they went a whole different direction with the newer body styles. What do you think? Do you like? Do you not like? My first Copart walk around, people. We're here freezing our rear ends off in Danville, Virginia, with a beautiful view. So there it is. There's your first walk around with Wtench Mike. I got a short period of time. I got 3 cars, including that 1928 Dodge Brothers that I would love to have if the windshield wasn't smashed and the roof wasn't damaged. And 3 of the 4 corners weren't damaged. And some other issues, but that's okay. Still a beautiful, beautiful car. I've always wanted something that very old. There's the view. Not a bad view. Not a bad place to work. The people here are super nice. It's a super clean facility. So if you ever want to come buy a car like I did, like Randy did, Auto Auction Rebuilds, come on up to Virginia and check it out, everybody. Okay, that's going to do it for now. Have a good day. Hug those kids if you got them, and we'll see you again back in Oklahoma with a car that I purchased if we make it. If we make it home. All right, bye-bye.